Alright, for today's shave, we're going to be using my Kent BK8 Silvertip Badger. Been soaking for a few minutes in water. Put about a quarter teaspoon of Dr. John's Blood Oath in the bottom of my Dollar Tree soup bowl. And here is the Blood Oath can. And it's a kind of a beige soap. And you can see where I scooped. All right. Now, you are going to be using, oh, and then my razor is a Joseph Rodgers and Sons Straight. My son will be using, I believe this is a Dorco or something. I believe it's a clone of the Biley, either 179, 171, something like that. I used it a long time ago. He likes it now. There you go. And what soap will you be using today?
Double X.
Double X by Razor Rock. He likes that scent. And the brush you'll be using is a Badger from Vanderhagen. All right. Very good. Now, so we will start. Got everything together. All right, get your face wet. Good job. Now, oh yeah, get your brush wet. Here, put your brush in this water right here while I start mixing my lather. I'm gonna shake out all the water from my brush and start working on the lather. You're getting your brush wet so that you'll be going right from the puck. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, put the glass bowl over there. This Badger knot holds a whole lot of water, so I may not have to add too much. I should be able to get a reasonable little early lather from just this. All right, good job. Now open your soap. Dr. John's is awesome performance. Blood orange is kind of the scent with maybe like some vanilla or cinnamon or something like that added in a little bit, but the main note is orange. Got a little bit going here from, yeah, there you go. Now don't be afraid to get it in there a little bit more too. There you go, that's better. As usual, I have, yeah, there you go, you're getting there, keep going. I have hard water, and I do cold shaves, so this is not hot water. So see, I just added a little bit of water to mine, and it's already starting to get some of the stuff. Oh no, keep going a little bit more. Doing good. Yeah, it's a good scent. I like yours too. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Let's go ahead and have you stop there. Good job. Okay, just put the soap. You can put the soap on the ledge right there.
Yeah.
Oh, and also because I'm going to be using a straight razor today, I'm going to lock the door so that nobody inadvertently opens it and bumps into my arm, since we're kind of in close proximity to the door. Okay, yep, start mixing up in your bowl. One and a half teaspoons of water into the lather now. Hey, doing good. Yeah. Why don't you just take what's here and just do this and dribble just a little bit like that in it. Now I've got 2 teaspoons of water in my bowl. Oh, you're doing good. There you go. Why don't you pour in a little bit more water now? Just a little bit. There you go. Mix that around. There we go. Very nice lather. It's not done yet, since it sits on my brush so jaggedy. That's a signal to me, at least, the way I like my lather, that I needed a little bit more wet. Hey, you're doing good. Keep going. And what you do, since you got some creeping up on the walls, you swipe up like that, and then you can bring that back down into the bottom. You're doing great. Yeah, there you go. See, it started when you first added a bunch of water. It started out really bubbly, didn't it?
Now it's getting kind of snow pure white.
Mm-hmm. It's creamier. The big bubbles are disappearing because you mixed in the water with the soap, and so it's becoming a good lather. No, that's for me. Yeah. Actually, no. Go ahead and mix that a little bit more. And you actually might be done. That might be pretty good. And as you're mixing, one of the things to do is pick up and push it down on other parts of the lather. All right, mix a little bit more. A little bit more. Buddy, when I say a little bit more, I don't mean do it for 3 seconds. Yeah, look, yours is looking pretty good. Now pick some of it and put it between your fingers like this and feel it as you move your fingers back and forth. Does it feel slick on your fingers?
Yep.
Cool. Okay.
It feels really good. It's soft.
Okay. Good. I think you're probably ready. Why don't you splash some water on your face?
Oh, yeah.
Well, the first time was to start getting your hairs soft. Of course, you don't have any hairs on your face, but when I do it, that's why. We got to start getting our hairs. Some people actually do a whole pre-shave routine where they use a soap, a different soap to, or some kind of oil or cream or something to prepare their hair. I don't. I just use a little bit of water.
Okay.
And yep, you're ready to go.
I'm putting it on my face.
There you go.
Wow.
Good. Oh, now let's hold on. Let's put that big dollop right there. And now, and remember, just to swirl around like that. Yeah. There, good job. All right, now, time for me to put mine on. There we go. Hey, that looks good to me. Why don't you back up and the camera can see. You move over to where you see yourself. There you go. You're all lathered up. All right. Grab your razor.
Yay. One is the part that I really love.
Yeah. Could have put a little bit bit more water in this. This will be just an extra luxurious shave. Alright, good job. Now, we're also going to just show the camera that there is no blade inside of your razor. Just to make sure everybody knows that we are keeping things safe and careful. All right. When I handle this, I'll handle it very carefully, make sure my grip is secure so that I don't drop it. All right, here we go. My third straight razor shave. This is hard to learn how to do well. A lot of practice it'll take to get it good, and I'll probably cut myself at some point.
Try not to.
That's right. Take it slow and easy. Reach over for my towel. All right. Now let's see, what's the best technique to use to get this?
Remember when you told me to do whatever it takes to get that lather off with your shaver?
Mm-hmm.
I took that as a reminder of what to do.
Ah, okay. Oh, do you need some more water? Okay, good.
Perfect.
Hey, yeah, you're doing good. All right, so that's one cheek. Do the other.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Wow.
Good job. Hey, will you turn the water on for me, please? Yeah, that one. Good.
Wow. That one looks sharp.
It is very sharp.
Very, very sharp.
Okay. Now, how are you ready for your second pass?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Yep. Here we go.
And don't forget to, yeah, did you reach back? Yeah, good. Good. You're doing good.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, that's a great lather. Good job.
one.
There you go. Good job.
Like that.
And making sure that I don't hold my open razor above you, so that in case I drop it, it doesn't land on you. All right, I think that's good for a first pass. I think it's the first time I've done the whole face with the straight. It went well. All right, while you're shaving on that, here, scoot over a little bit. I need to rinse off.
I did it. I just did the little trick you taught me a few years ago.
Ah, yeah, with your mouth.
Yeah.
Yep. To pull your finger across the mouth and get rid of all the lather that's
Can you
on
turn the
your.
water for me?
Yeah, sure. This lather that I had was a little dry for a straight razor shave. A lot of times when you use a straight, you need to have a little wetter lather than when you use a double edge like you have.
I think this little technique that sort of makes when it's above your lip and you can't really get to it that well.
Yeah.
You sort of blow like this. It kind of blows some of it up.
Aha.
So you get it.
Okay. Well, if that works for you, I think that's great.
Maybe you should try it. It works pretty well.
All right.
See? Works every time. I think I had such a good ladder. I think past 2 it's also can't past 3.
What's that?
I think past 2 when I just counted just enough for that ladder.
Yeah, if you want,
Past
sure.
3.
Yeah, sure thing.
I like shaving with you.
I like shaving with you too, buddy.
Yeah. Remember when you tell me that little trick? If it goes sort of up here by accident,
Mm-hmm.
just sort of get your finger wet, like the lip trick.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, do you know that right now, some guys and I are doing a little competition online, and we shave, and everybody tries to use a certain soap on a certain day, a certain type of soap, maybe it's a certain type of scent on a certain day.
Cool.
And so that contest is called the Lather Games. And so this is your first Lather Games. You're competing too. Now today is Citrus Day. So maybe I should have had you use your, I think you have a orange by
Yes.
Sapone de Paolo.
That's the one that I was gonna use that one, but then when I smelled double X,
Mm-hmm.
I don't do it today.
You liked it better? Sure.
Yeah. That's my completely
Today
wrong
is Citrus Day in the contest. And so that's why I chose this blood orange from Dr. John's.
Mine's scent sort of smells a little orangey too. The one of mine, smells orangey too. Yeah, I kind of smells a little orangey.
Yours doesn't smell orangey.
Well, to me it does. Smells like oranges. Let's see if I have something like that. No. I'm just gonna put that to shave my ear. It's a little better. Yeah. There you are. Complete. Well, I'll do it one more time for my third pass.
Sure, if you want.
Here we go. Gonna get some lather. Triple G. Oh man, when you mix that lather up, it feels really good.
Ah, yeah. All right. All right. Feeling good with the straight so far. I've only done this 3 times. Start our video
Here's
back
my
up.
lather.
And I just rinsed off. I did get a little tiny nick right here. All right. I think I felt it when I got it. Now I'm going to put on my third pass. Oh, it's no big deal, honey. Stings just a tiny bit. Also has my little girl has joined us. All right. Uh-huh.
Hey, skeleton. I'm not a skeleton. Daddy, Zachary, you look like a skeleton.
Mm-hmm. Because of the white? Yeah.
But definitely you, Dad, because you have a black one. Here's my butterfly blade. It's called a butterfly shaver because this happens.
You remember the name. Good job, bud.
But, Zachary, why do you say that you don't have any hairs the same?
Nope, because he just enjoys it and we like time together.
I just do it for fun.
He does not have a blade in his razor, so he's not going to hurt himself or anything. But
Yeah, that's why I showed you.
and it smells good. Here, smell. This is the soap he's using. He likes the smell of that one.
I like it. Yeah.
It smells like vanilla.
It's called Double X.
But it smells
All
like
right, third
vanilla.
pass.
Never know that man.
And I'm just sticking with a 3 with the grain passes. Because I'm just a straight beginner.
I've done it almost as many times as you have.
No, you have to be in the corner over there.
I bet Mom, when we get back downstairs, Mom's gonna say, "What scent did you shave with?" But
She'll say, "My, how clean shaven you are, little boy."
Yeah. Usually she says to me, "What is that scent? It smells so good." That's usually what she says to me.
Okay. What's up, Viv?
I just got a really itchy spot and now it started bleeding.
Oh. Yeah, because you scratched it, sweetie pie.
It's so itchy.
You gotta
Cannot
quit scratching it.
help Be careful, Daddy.
I'm going really slow. And I'm watching my angle.
I hope you don't cut yourself.
I only cut myself a few times with this razor. That's because I'm just going really slow. Sometimes I don't end up with a very good shave because I'm taking it so easy, but I think that's probably the way to go to be smart with such a sharp razor.
Third pass finished.
What
All
happened
right.
to the wall? It's
I don't know,
stained.
sweetie.
It's a shadow.
I know. Stop ruining our little movie.
Oh, and we need to lock our door here again.
What's that?
Dad, you're bleeding.
Yeah, honey. I remember I nicked myself, tiny little spot.
What did
I
you blood.
Yeah, we can see it through your
Mm-hmm.
shaving stuff. Well, what do I do to clean my stuff up?
Just rinse your razor off, and then you can put it on right over there with your other
It's
stuff.
wet.
Yeah, here you can dry it off with this.
Sometimes
Looking
it's
good so
just
far here.
polishing it off.
This is cold.
Yeah, it sure is.
My arm. It has so many itchy spots and again I stop.
Try rubbing
Probably
it.
just bug bites from when you're out playing, sweetie pie.
It's so itchy. I cannot stop.
This is a case for my brush.
Can I see what's in it? Wow.
I know, it's pretty cool.
It has a mirror.
I know.
Hey, selfie.
There's no farty. Hey, stop it. Stop it.
Kids, you are not going to be arguing in this room. You can go to somewhere else if you want to argue.
What are you going to go back into my room and play?
All right, there we go.
Not today, really. I don't never know. It's usually not.
Such a rough shave. See, that's what happens in the beginning, guys. When you're just starting out with something, you are usually not going to be very good at it. My cheeks look pretty good, but under my neck needs some work.
Your little friend.
So, what does it take to get better and better?
Practice.
Practice. And you learn about it as best you can. There's a lot of good stuff. Right, You fall, and then you learn what you do, and then you get right back up. That's right.
That doesn't even do with it. Ooh. That wouldn't look right. I'm watching you.
I know.
Okay, let's get out of the way, please. Oh yeah, you need to keep, are you rinsing your brush?
I just rinsed my brush.
It's not done yet. Look, there's soap right there.
Oh yeah, don't get close to that thing.
That's right, thank you. All right, go ahead. No, you don't put water down straight in it like that. That's, remember, you rinse it in your bowl.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Clear water.
Very good, very good. All right, you can leave it alone. Pour out the bowl, put the brush, shake out the brush really good. Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, put the brush in the bowl. Okay, put the bowl over where you were doing your stuff. And now rinse your face off with water. Let me do mine first.
Daddy, what is this?
Hold on.
That's a part of Mommy's fan.
That's right. That's one of the feet to Mommy's fan to keep it from blowing back, knock it falling over. Because the fan, when it's on, it always pushes a certain way. All right, let's take a check now. That's a little better. Cheeks are fine. A little bleeder has stopped, no problem. He must have been tiny.
I tried to lift you.
I'm gonna try and lift you.
All right, success. There we go. Post shave. I'll find that. All right, and Dr. John's makes a very good post-shave lotion type splash. It's got healing things in it, not just a alcohol splash. I am feeling some stinging because I'm a straight razor noob. It smells great, and it's got some other things in there to help your skin. Quiet, quiet. All right. And there we go. So how much water did I use for that 1/4 teaspoon of soap? Probably 3 1/4 teaspoons of water. And that's a good mix. All right. Oh man, that smells good. Here, smell my face. Yeah, orangey. Do you smell the orangey?
I could put some of that on my itchy spot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not gonna hurt it.
She told me to.
That's fine. It's not gonna hurt it. Okay, there we go. There's the shave. It was the first pass was kind of rough, and I did leave some hairs here in this area, but basically did 4 passes on my neck, which is what I usually do with a DE, and so we're good. We're good. I think I'm doing okay for straight. I'm taking it very cautiously. 3rd time. And this is the first time I did it after I stropped the blade. I hope I didn't strop it improperly and dulled it a little quicker than it should have been, but so I'll have to strop it again. But all right. Performance from Dr. John's soap, as usual, is terrific. This brush, I really enjoy this Kent. You need to be quiet, honey. This the brush is kind of floppy, and that's the way I like them, the Kent. And I think we're good. All right, take care. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.